Hi everyone, I'm Erin and I'm going to be with you for this section where we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about values, but more importantly, really giving you time here um, to really reflect on your own um, personal core values, identifying them, getting clear on them, and taking some time to really thinking about how they show up in your practice, in your work, uh, with students, through instruction, through um, working with students to create that classroom environment, climate, culture, um, and where those values intersect. Uh, in multiple ways and in multiple different places throughout your work. So we'd like to draw your attention to an activity that's in the Schoology folder that is talking about core values. And the activity there has some lists of core value words that are not meant to be exhaustive, but simply a place for you to start brainstorming, thinking about identifying, narrowing down what are those 3, 4, 5 core values that really are essential to you, that really are representative of who you are and how you want to um, be, what you want, what values that you really want to lean into to guide you and to guide your work. Um, so uh, those reflective questions are there for you to think about and spend some time with. Uh, what is most central to you, and how do those values show up? How have you seen them modeled, and perhaps who are some people that really um, perhaps are people that you look to um, because of those shared core values, and thinking about how you see those values, um, throughout um, the different communities that you're a part of, um, and in particular, how you see them a part of um, your school community, and how we create and give space for others to also bring their core values to our school communities, and create environments where we hold space for everyone to have and to share and to live by those core values, creating a sense of belonging for all of us. So we invite you to take this time, step away from the screen, take a look at the activity um, in the Schoology folder, and then think about how you would really like to see those values show up and be a part of your work. Thank you.